Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide mutual friends on Facebook. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. When someone views your profile, if you have friends in common with them, Facebook will display them. This is how you hide it from everyone, but note it will remove your entire friends list, not just your mutual friends. I'm doing this tutorial on mobile, but it will be the same if you are on desktop. When you are on Facebook, tap on the menu button at the lower right corner, scroll down to Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, under Audience and Visibility, you can see how people find and contact you. Tap on that. Now, tap on Who can see your friends list. Tap See All, and finally tap on Only Me. This setting means that you're the only person able to look at your friends list. So this will effectively block people from seeing your mutual friends on Facebook. And that draws an end to this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.